Welcome to the last lesson of our mini-course series. In this video, we will help you create a chatbot that can calculate and track your customer order status. After learning this lesson, you can extend the chatbot's functionality and bring better shopping experiences to your customers using our inline scripting features. In the first part, you will learn how to make a BMI chatbot calculator to help your customers find the exact clothing size when shopping online through Monoco Shop chatbot. Now, let me show you how to do it. First, create a block to ask your customers information related to weight and height. Enable Expect User Response. Go to Response Validation and choose the answer format as number, so your customers will enter the correct format. After that, let's do the same with height and BMI. Go to the Data panel and create weight, height, and BMI variables. Don't forget to choose those variables' data type in the format of number. After creating those variables, now you will learn how to perform a calculation for Monoco Shop chatbot. Let's get started by dragging and dropping the Update Variables action and configure this action. Do the same steps for height and BMI. Insert operators to perform calculations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, to calculate BMI. This action will allow the variables to be altered as you build the calculation. Finally, insert the variable you have created, altered in a new block, same as in a text block, to display the BMI of your customers. Great job! In case you want to filter the conditions to make suggestions for clothes size to each customer, use connector conditions. And filter based on the conditions, as you expect. Let's check out the bot flow performing these BMI calculations on preview to see the result. Next, let's move to the next part, where you can learn the way to support your customers check their order status using scripting block. And this feature will require you some technical background to use. Before starting, you need to prepare a track order status Google Sheet. You can find the sample file in the description of this video. Drag and drop the run script into the flow. Create a flow variable name order code before adding code into the scripting block. Click on Open Code Editor and write your own code. You can also find the Generate Order sample code in this video description. After that, let's test it on preview. After generating the code, now we will show you how to use scripting block to execute complex code to get data from Google Sheet, so that customers can use this code to check their order status after shopping online. First, drag and drop scripting block into the flow editor. Click the script block and click the Open Code Editor button to do programming directly within this scripting block. You can check the link in this video's description to view the code for tracking order status. Congratulations! This is the end of mini course. Let's review the chatbot flow for Monoco Fashion Shop. Please keep in mind that everything you have learned in these lessons can be applied in any business. Thank you so much for your participation in our mini course. After all lessons, we hope that you'll enjoy this series and become a better chatbot creator.